Hi! In this video, you're gonna learn about the switchback node, a special node that remembers your navigation flow. Let's get started. Sometimes, when you design your UI, you may want to be able to reach a node from different points and be able to go back from where you came from. So, for example, you have a settings menu and you want to access it from different parts of UI and be able to go back from where you came from. So, if it's from the main menu, you access the settings and you want to go back. And if it's from the in-game pause menu, again, you want to be able to access the settings and go back to the pause menu. The switchback node fixes that and helps you achieve exactly this. Let's say I have here node number 1, and I want to be able to reach this view, number 5, and also I want to, and I also access it from node number 4. So how can I do that? Let's see first the graph. So I want to be able to jump from node number 1 to node number 5. And I can also access it from node number 4. So let's do exactly that. Let's create a switchback node. We create a switchback node by going to create node, navigation, switchback. It is quite big, but it's very easy to use. What is my target? Well, my target is number 5. So let's set it up, number 5. And when we go back, we usually use the back button. Let's create a back button for number 5. So this is the back button. And now we need our sources. Well, we have two sources. We have node number 4 and node number 1. So let's create a button here and say number 5. And here we already have a button named number 5. This is my first source. And this is my second source. There you go. Let me maximize this. Let's get this out of the way. And let's create it. Let's also remove this. Delete. Okay. How does this work? Well, if you're in node number 1 and we want to go to node number 5, we just press the button number 5. We go through the switchback node to this node. When pressing escape key or back, it will come back here to the switchback and it will remember that it came from the node number 1. The same thing for this one. When we press to access node number 5, it will go through the switchback right here. And when we press back, it will remember to go here instead of here. And let's see it in action. I'm going to ignore these nodes. Usually you would have it something like that, so it's easier to see. Yeah, let's put it like so. So we have a clear navigation path. All right, let's also create the buttons. So in the view number 4, so this one, I already have the number 5 button. I need one here. So let's add it. It's very easy because I'm using a grid layout. So I'm going to duplicate this button and I'm going to say number 5, rename it. And also let's write 5 here. 5, that's it. So let's press play. And let's see it in action. All right. Let me bring these two a bit closer together. All right. If I go to number 5, it goes through here, passes through the switchback node and comes to number 5. And you'll notice that this is the source that accessed it. If I press escape, it goes back. But if I go to node number 3, 4, if I come here and I press 5, notice that the source changed. Let's press escape. Okay, now let me show you a few more options that are available for the switchback node. You can add as many targets as you want. So for this particular node, I'm gonna say here, just so you know, source number 1 is 4 and source number 2 is 1. You can add more sources should you want to. And yeah, that's it. Of course, this is the back button. And we can also mark it here so that, where is number 5? This isn't the 4 button, but this is the back button. Let's say general and let's say back button. And let's also, instead of 4, let's put it like that, just so you know it's a back. All right. So this is how it works. It just remembers from where it came from. That way, if this is your in-game menu and if this is your main menu, you will know that you can access the settings menu. So let's even rename it main menu, and this will be my in-game menu, and this can be my settings menu. All right. And here I will say in game, and this will be my main menu. Okay. So let's access it and see it again. And that's it. It is a special node because it remembers the path. So let's go to 5. And notice that the main menu is highlighted. Let's go back. And again, it got reset. Let's go to 4. I think the button is somewhere here. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. And let's go to 5. And now the in-game menu is the last source that went through this switch. Of course, you can go to 3, can come here. And again, if you have the in-game menu and you go back to the main menu and come through the main menu, the source will change. It just did. And back, I'm back in the main menu. Let's see the flow from here. So let's go here. Let's go back. Let's go here. Let's go 3, 4. And now we'll change the source. Notice how the source will change. It just changed. And if I go back, I'll go back here. Now, that's it for the switchback node.